by here last night? Martha Dump Truck did a cannonball off the Mill Creek Bridge holding a suicide note.
Oh my God, is she alive?
Just some broken bones. Yet another geek trying to imitate the popular people and failing big time.
Young girl, keep it together. I knew you would go far. Now you're truly a Heather. Smell how gangsta you are.
Martha, I'm so sorry.
Young girl, feel a bit punchy. Once that brimstone-y smell. Now you've earned that red scrunchy. Come join Heather in hell.
Where have you been?
We've been worried sick. Your friend JD stopped by. He told us everything. Everything?
Your depression, your thoughts of suicide.
He even showed us your copy of Moby Dick. This is not my handwriting. I've been on the phone all morning. There's a doctor in Cleveland. We'd like you to talk with him. What kind of doctor?
Psychiatric.
Leonard.
What?
Guess who's right on the block?
You're sending me to a shrink?
Guess who's climbing the stairs?
There's no shame in getting some help.
Guess who's picking your lock?
I am not the problem.
Time's up, go say your prayers.
She took that well.
Veronica's running on fumes now. Veronica's totally right. Veronica's gotta be tripping on shrooms now, thinking that she can hide. Veronica's done for, there's no doubt now. Notify next of kin. Veronica's trying to keep it up now. Too late, he got in.
Knock, knock. Sorry to come in through the window. Dreadful etiquette, I know.
Get out of my house.
All is forgiven, baby. Come on out and get dressed. You're my date to the pep rally tonight.
What? Why?
Our classmates thought they were signing a petition. You gotta come out here and see what they really signed. You chucked me out like I was trash. For that you should be dead. But then it hit me like a flash. What if high school went away instead? Those assholes are the key. They're keeping you away from me. They made you blind, messed up your mind, but I can set you free. You left me and I fell apart. I punched a wall and cried, bam, bam, bam. Then I found you changed my heart and set loose all this true bullshit inside. And so I built a bomb. Tonight our school is Vietnam. Let's guarantee they never see their senior prom. I was meant to be yours. We were meant to be one. Don't give up on me now. Finish what we've begun. I was meant to be yours. So when the high school gym goes boom with everyone inside, in the rubble of their tomb, we'll plant this note explaining why they died. We, the students of Westerberg High, will die. Our burned bodies may finally get through. To you, your society churns out slaves and blanks. No thanks. Signed, the students of Westerberg High. Goodbye. We'll watch the smoke pour out the doors. Bring marshmallows, we'll make s'mores. We can smile and cuddle while the fire roars. I was meant to be yours. We were meant to be one. I can't make it alone. Finish what we've begun. You were meant to be mine. I am all that you need. You called open my heart. Can't just leave me to bleed. Veronica! Open the door, please. Veronica, open the door. Veronica, can we not fight anymore, please? Can we not fight anymore? Veronica, sure you're scared. I've been there. I can set you free. Veronica, don't make me come in there. I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, fuck it! No, God, no, Veronica. Please, don't leave me alone. You were all I could trust. I can't do this alone. Still I will if I
a snack. Veronica?
I wanted someone strong who could protect me. I let his anger fester and infect me. His solution is a lie. No one here deserves to die except for me and the monster I created. Heads up, JD, I'm a dead girl walking. Can't hide from me, I'm a dead girl walking. And there's your final bell. It's one more dance and then farewell. Cheek to cheek and help with a dead girl walking.
Go, Rottweilers! Here we go now!
Veronica? Jason Dean told us you'd just committed suicide.
Yeah? Well, he's wrong about a lot of things.
I threw together a lovely tribute, especially given the short notice.
Miss Fleming, what's under the gym?
The boiler room.
That's it.
Veronica, what's going on?
Got no time to talk, I'm a dead girl walking.
Hey, yo, Westerberg, tell me what's that sound? Here comes Westerberg, coming up, put you in the ground. Go, Westerberg, give a great big yell. Westerberg will knock you out and send you straight to hell.
A Norwegian in the boiler room, just like your dad.
And here I thought you'd lost your taste for faking suicides.
Step away from the bomb.
This little thing? Well, I'd hardly call it a bomb. This is to trigger the packs of thermals upstairs in the gym. Now, those are bombs. People are gonna look at the ashes of Westerberg and say, well, there's a school that self-destructed, not because society didn't care, but because that school was society. You know the only place where Heathers and Marthas can truly get along is in heaven.
I wish your mom had been a little stronger.
Don't talk about my
I
mom.
wish she'd stayed around a little longer.
Stop!
I wish your dad were good. I wish grown-ups understood. I wish we'd met before they convinced you life is war. I wish you'd come with me.
I wish I had more TNT!
Hey,